Good morning, students. In the previous class, we see some formula involving sums. Now we move the next exercise. The next exercise is the integral is of the form. We are using the same concept of this formula, but two parts is there. Suppose the integral is of the form. You see both. Numerator is a linear factor, and denominator is a quadratic factor. Okay, linear factor, quadratic factor. In previous exercise, we see numerator is just a constant and denominator is a quadratic factor. But here, numerator is a linear factor and denominator is a quadratic factor. Both sums are same. But the second one is, suppose the denominator term lies within square root. It may be without square root or with square root, we do the same work. Ax square plus bx plus c, or square root of ax square plus bx plus c. Then, the working rule to find the integration is, first of all, directly there is no formula. You write the numerator, okay, px plus q is equal to, we add the two constants, a and b, a d by dx of the denominator. It may be the square root also there. Without square root, we write the term. In both the form, a d by dx of, we write the denominator. Suppose within square root is given, we leave the square root, we write just the factor, ax square plus bx plus c plus b. So it is the first working rule. That is, numerator is equal to a of d by dx of this denominator. Suppose the denominator is given within a square root, without square root, we write ax square plus bx plus b. Next, a of d by dx. You know very well, d by dx means differentiating the term with respect to x. Always this is a, b and c are constants. So a into x square. The differentiating of x square is 2x. So 2ax plus, I write just b. Okay? b, x with respect to x is 1. Following the constant c is there, so goes in a differentiation value is 0 plus b. So the value of px plus q is a of 2ax plus b plus b. The next step to find the value of the constants a and b. The value of the constants a and b using equating the coefficient of x term and constant term. The next step is equating coefficient of x term, we get a. Equating the constant, we get b. So it is the process to find the integral. Suppose it is of this form. Numerator is a linear factor and denominator is a quadratic factor. It may be the quadratic factor or with square root quadratic factor. I remind the formula. We already see this formula. You see in integration, f of x divided by f of x. That means the differentiating of the denominator is exactly the numerator, whose formula is log of. We use this formula here. So first I write the formula log of within modulus denominator. We already see this formula. Now we introduce the one more formula. Numerator is f of x, but denominator is a square root of f of x. You see the difference between these two formula is f of x, and this one is a square root of f of x, and whose formula is 2 into root f of x plus c. It's a new formula. Just f of x is there, whose formula is log of modulus f of x. Suppose root f of x is there, whose formula is 2 into root f of x. Now we see this kind of problems. Now we see the sums in exercise 11.11. I integrate the following with respect to x. Now we integrate that one with respect to x. Numerator 2x minus 3 and denominator is x square plus 4x minus 12 into dx. You see the numerator is a linear factor and denominator is a quadratic factor. What is the working rule? We write the working rule. First step, we write the numerator. Okay, 2x minus 3 is equal to a into d by dx of the denominator. What is the denominator? X square plus 4x minus 12 plus b. What is the reason to use this working rule? Directly there is no formula of this integration. Suppose we use this concept, there will be a two term is a chance and also one formula shape will come. So that's why we use this concept. Okay, a into d by dx of we write. Whenever your d by dx means we are differentiating the bracket term with respect to x. Okay, LHS is no change. A. We already see the differentiation. Just I write the differentiating value. The differentiating of x square is 2x. And I write just 4. The differentiating of 4x with respect to x. 4 of 1 is 4. Minus 12 is a constant, so the differentiating value is 0. So this d by dx is only for this bracket. How long there is a constant, so we have to place b. We use this equation, so I put it is equation 1. So the value of 2x minus 3 is equal to a of 2x plus 4 plus b. The next step is to find the value of the constants a and b. Because instead of 2x minus 3, we use that value. So to find unknown constants a and b. How to find? Is your choice. We put any value of x or equating. We already see in partial fraction the concept of equating. I need the value of a, so equating the coefficient of x term. Okay, equating the coefficient of x term. LHS is 2 and RHS we see a into 2x, so 2ax. So the coefficient of x is 2a. And how to find the constant b? We equating the constant term. What is the constant in LHS? Minus 3. In RHS, a of 4 and b. So first step, equating the coefficient of x. We equating the coefficient of x term. In LHS, coefficient of x is 2. In RHS, coefficient of x, a into 2x. 2ax, so 2a. So only one term is all the remaining terms are constant. I cancel this 2. What about a? 1. So a value is 1. The next step is equating the constant. Equating the constant term. In LHS, what is a constant? Minus 3 is a constant. In RHS, is a coefficient of x term. A into 4 is 4a. Plus b alone is also a constant, b. So minus 3 is equal to 4 of, we already find the value of a. We use 1 plus b. Minus 3 is equal to 4 into 1, 4 plus b. The plus 4 becomes that side, minus. So the value of b is equal to minus 7. The next step, use the value of a and b in the first equation. Okay, in first equation, we use the value of a and b. So 1 gives LHS 2x minus 3 is equal to RHS a. The value of a is just 1. 1 of 2x plus 4 plus b, but the value of b is minus 7. So minus 7. Now we substitute this value instead of that one. Therefore, how to change the given sum? Integrating of 2x minus 3 divided by x square plus 4x minus 12 into dx is equal to integrating of the value of 2x minus 3 is just 1 of 2x plus 4 minus 7 whole divided by x square plus 4x minus 12 into dx. We simplify that one, we get exactly 2x minus 3. We multiply 1 inside, 2x plus 4. Minus 7, 4 minus 7, minus 3 automatically will come. What is the reason to write in this manner? The next step, don't change, we multiply inside. As it is the same term, we split in 2 terms. In bracket, 1 term we consider. And the remaining one is another term. Now, 1 into 2x plus 4 is nothing but 2x plus 4. So I write it is 2x plus 4 whole divided by x square plus 4x minus 12 into dx. The second term you see, I will take outside minus 7 divided by x square plus 4x minus 12 into dx. The single integration I split in two integration. Actually this one into dx minus 7 into the another term. You see the first one, you have any idea? The first one integration. Exactly the differentiating of the denominator is the numerator. Okay. X square differentiation 2x. 4x differentiation 4 and it is a constant. So whose formula is log of modulus. Okay. Log of the denominator. X square plus 4x minus 12. In second one, I will take outside the constant minus 7. Remaining 1 divided by x square plus 4x minus 12 into dx. We already simplified these model sums in the previous classes. Numerator is a constant and denominator is a quadratic polynomial. We do the same working rule. We come in one formula shape. Just we add and separate coefficient of x by. So we consider the term only now. Consider x square plus 4x minus 12. So we leave as it is. Next we consider what is the working rule? X square plus 4x. Just we add and separate coefficient of x by 2 the whole square. Coefficient of x 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is 2. So add and separate 2 square. Plus 2 square minus 2 square. Already minus 12 is there. The first three term is the formula of, we already see in the previous class. So I directly write the answer. It is on the form a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a plus b the whole square. X plus 2 the whole square. Minus 2 square is minus 4 minus 12. X plus 2 the whole square minus 4 minus 12 is minus 16. Next step, so the value of x square plus 4x minus 12 is equal to x plus 2 the whole square minus, we write the value of 16 as 4 square. You see the value of 16, we write the value of 16 as 4 square. Now we substitute that value in this integration. The first step is no change. Minus 7. The integration is on the form x plus 2 the whole square minus 4 square. So the first step is no change. So we write log of within modulus x square plus 4x minus 12 minus 7 already lies in outside. 1 divided by the term is nothing but x plus 2 the whole square minus 4 square into dx. Now you see exact is of the form in integration 1 divided by x square minus a square. Suppose you know very well the formula, you don't write the formula. For your convenience, I write the formula again. It is of the form 1 divided by x square minus a square into dx. Variable square minus constant square. The formula is 1 by 2a log, remember the formula, modulus x minus a divided by x plus a plus c. We comparing the sum and our formula. Okay, here the value of x is equal to x plus 2 and the value of a is equal to 4. This step only for your understanding. Suppose we very well know the formula, we directly write the answer. And all the formula regarding only for this step. We already find this value. So this value fully for this integration. So log of first step x square plus 4x minus 12. Already minus 7 lies outside. Okay, minus 7. Now we use this formula. Is a 1 by 2a. 2 of 1 by 2, the value of a is 4. Log modulus x minus a, the value of x is x plus 2 minus 4, x minus a divided by x plus a, x value, x plus 2 plus a value is 4. Modulus ended. Now all terms are integrated, so we have the constant plus c. So the next step is a simplification of that step. So now need this step, The first term is no change. Log of modulus x square plus 4x minus 12 minus, you see that step, 1 by 2 4s are 8. Already outside 7. 7 ones are 7. So 7 by 8 minus 7 by 8 log of within modulus x plus 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 minus 2. Denominator x plus 2 plus 4 is plus 6. So what is the numerator value? X minus 2. And the denominator is x plus 6 plus c. We already simplify all the term. So it is the answer of this one. So in all quadratic polynomial sums, we do the same process. When we use this concept, the numerator is a linear factor and denominator is a quadratic polynomial. What is the first working rule? We write the numerator term is equal to a into d by dx of the denominator term plus b. Next, we differentiate, we equating coefficient of x and constant to find the value of a and b. So to substitute that value, then the numerator become in two parts. Then we split. One part is already right in the formula function, and the second one is of the form, the numerator is a constant and denominator is a quadratic polynomial. It is the previous exercise model. Then we do the same work. If you know very well known the formula, entire sum will be easy. And also it is important 5 more questions in integration, in integral calculus. All model sums is very important. It will be asked in 5 more questions. Now we move to the second one for subdivision. So we see the sum lies within a square root. We do the same work. In previous one, the denominator is lies without a square root. Now this sum is lies within square root. 2x plus 1 square root of 9 plus 4x minus x square into dx. Okay, this is given sum. Same the working rule. Suppose the denominator is lies within square root or without square root. What is the working rule? We let the numerator 2x plus 1, okay, numerator is equal to a of d by dx of, we write only the denominator. It may be the square root is there, we leave the square root, just we write the quadratic factor. 9 plus 4x minus x square plus b. Square root or without square root, any term is there. D by dx of, we write just term plus b. Okay. The next step, 2x plus 1 of, we differentiate the term. So the differentiating of 9 is 0 plus, in this sum I write elaborate. I write differentiating of 4x is 4 of 1. 4, x with respect to x is 1. And the differentiating of x square is 2x. Plus, we differentiate the bracket term only with respect to x. B is a hollow term, so we write b. By origin, you don't put 0 because the differentiation process is over these brackets. Okay, we leave the 0. 4 into 1 is 4 minus 2x plus b. So LHS is no change. We write LHS 2x plus 1 is equal to a of 4 minus 2x plus b. Over the next step, to find the value of the unknown constants a and b. How to find? Equating coefficient of x term and equating constant. Equating the coefficient of x term. What is the coefficient of x in LHS? The coefficient of x in LHS is 2. The coefficient of x in RHS, a into 4 is a constant. a into minus 2x. So minus 2ax. So minus 2a. And it is a constant. I cancel this 2 2. The value of a I say minus 1. Okay. 1 is equal to minus a. So the value of a is equal to minus 1. The next one is equating the constant. What is the constant in LHS? The constant in LHS is 1. And the constant in RHS, a into 4 is 4a. Is a coefficient of x term. And b is the all-on term plus b. Now we substitute the value of a here. 1. 4 of a minus 1 plus b. 1 is equal to minus 4 plus b. Minus 4 becomes that side, plus 4. So the value of b is equal to 5. So we find the value of a and b. The next step to substitute this value of a and b in equation 1. So 1 gives 2x plus 4. Sorry, 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 is equal to a. The value of a is minus 1. Minus 1 of 4 minus 2x. Plus b. Plus the value of b is 5. You simplify that term, exact that term will come. You multiply inside minus 4. Minus and minus is plus 2x. Minus 4 plus 5 is a plus 1. What is the reason to split the numerator? We come one formula shape. That's why we simplify this work. Now we write the given sum. Therefore, integrating of 2x plus 1 by square root of 9 plus 4x minus x square into dx is equal to, in numerator how to write? Minus 1 of 4 minus 2x plus 5 whole divided by, within a square root, 9 plus 4x minus x square into dx. The next step, we split in 2 times. You don't multiply inside. Okay? We split in 2 times. Actually, minus 1 into anything is nothing but minus sign. So I split in 2 times. For our understanding, I will take outside minus first of all. 4 minus 2x divided by square root of, okay, minus I will take outside, 4 minus 2x divided by that term, plus second term, 5 divided by square root of 9 plus 4x minus x square into dx. We don't multiply inside, just we will take outside the minus sign. Okay. Now what is the exact integration? We already write in this class, first one formula. You see exactly the differentiating of within a square root term is nothing but the numerator. 0, 4 minus 2x. So it is of the form f dash of x, okay, f dash of x divided by root f of x. So whose formula is 2 into root f of x. So you directly write the formula, minus outside there, 2 into root 9 plus 4x minus x square. 9 plus 4x minus x square. Over. The second one, I will take outside the constant, 5. Remaining 1 divided by root 9 plus 4x minus x square into dx. So first one integration is over. Next, to find the value of this integration. For easy purpose, you put the equation also. No need this one. For easy understanding, we put it is equation 2. Then we consider the term. Okay? Just we add and subtract coefficient of x by 2. This process. It also come one formula shape. Then use that value in equation 2. No need the step. Suppose for our exact understanding, I use it is equation. And now we consider the term. We come in formula shape. What is the first step? the coefficient of x square should come 1. But here coefficient of x square is minus. So it will take outside minus. So x square minus 4x minus 9. So it will be already outside minus. So minus x square minus and minus plus 4x minus and minus 9 is plus 9. Minus the next step minus 4x, add and subtract coefficient of x by 2 the whole square. So plus 2 square minus 2 square minus 9. Coefficient of x is 4, 4 by 2 is 2, so 2 square minus 2 square. The first three term is of the form a square minus 2ab plus b square. A minus b the whole square, x minus 2 the whole square. Minus 2 square minus 4 minus 9 minus half x minus 2 the whole square minus 4 minus 9 is a minus 13, and I multiply minus inside now, so minus half x minus 2 the whole square plus 13. But both the term we need within a square. So how to write a 13 with a square? We already see this type of problem also. Suppose we write a root 13 the whole square is nothing but 13. So minus of x minus 2 the whole square plus root 13 the whole square. First I write the positive term first. So what is the constant? Root 13 the whole square minus of x minus 2 the whole square. So it is a value of 9 plus 4x minus x square. Now we substitute that value in the integration. Now we substitute the value in this integration. So that's why I put it is equation 2. So in equation 2 the first term is no change. In second term we use the concept. So equation 2 gives the first term minus 2 square root of 9 plus 4x minus x square. We see here plus 5 outside is there. So plus 5 integrating of 1 divided by within a square root. Okay, within a square root. The value of 9 plus 4x minus x square as root 13 the whole square minus of x minus 2 the whole square into dx. So in this process are needed. So that's why we consider the term. Now we are using this formula. You see it exact one formula shape. You identify the formula shape. Now note it is equation 2. Exact one formula is there. It is of the form integrating of 1 divided by root 13 the whole square. So constant square a square minus variable square. So it is also for your understanding I write the formula 1 by square root of a square minus x square. Within a square root a square minus x square. The formula is square root. So sine inverse of x by a plus c. Then we compare the formula and our given sum. The value of a is root 13. And place of x is x minus 2. So this one for your understanding purpose. So I write in bracket. So no need to write this formula. Suppose we directly write the answer. It is also enough. Suppose you are convenient or doubtful for formula, you just write the formula. Now use this formula in this step. So first step is no change. Minus 2 square root of 9 plus 4x minus x square plus outside 5 is there 5. Now apply this formula. The formula is start from sine inverse of 5 into sine inverse of x in place of x minus 2 by a, the value of a is root 13. All integration over. Now we add the constant c. It is also a composite function, but in place of x is x minus 2. The differentiating of x minus 2 with respect to x is just 1, so I don't write. So the answer, leave as it is, or we write the first term first. Positive term is first. 5 sine inverse of x minus 2 by root 13 minus 2 square root of 9 plus 4x minus x square plus c. We write the first term is negative and second term, or we write the first positive term, we write that one minus 2 into second one. So this kind of problem, in all the remaining sum also in same model. First we understand when we use this model. Suppose a linear factor and denominator is a quadratic polynomial. What is the first step? Numerator term is equal to a of d by dx of the denominator plus b. The denominator, it may be the square root or without square root, just we write the quadratic polynomial. Next, equating the coefficient of x term and constant to find the value of a and b. Then the single integration numerator become two terms. First term is already one formula shape. It may be the differentiating of the denominator is a numerator or square root. And the second one, we see already the previous exercise formula. Using the formula shape, one answer. So we try the remaining all sums. So this kind of sum are very important. 5 more questions.